How's it going, YouTube's Tio Fuego back here, long time no see, but I'm back here with another installation video. This time I'm installing some foot peg covers on the 21 Honda Rebel 500. Let's check them out. Alright, so it's been a while since I've seen you guys. I did a couple of things since I've seen you last. Found some little leather saddlebags that I got for the sides underneath the gas tank, something a little small, just to get a little bit of storage onto the bike, and also installed new side mirrors. And I'll post the links for all those in the video description below. But for what we're going to be doing today is installing these foot covers over the base foot pegs of the Rebel. That way it's going to give it a nice little footrest to have instead of just like a standard peg. Alright, the boxing was simple enough, a very small box. Came with the two pegs inside, and the hardware, which is literally just two nuts and two screws. And you will need a 3/16 Allen key to screw everything in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is removing this rubber top piece of the foot pegs, and you're going to use a standard 10 wrench. Underneath, there is a little screw here. Just unscrew that, and the rubber piece should pop right off. Okay, so once you remove the screw, top comes right off, leaves the hole exposed, and that is where the screw from this is going to go through and attach to the top cover. Now that that is off, show you the back side of this footrest, and you can see it has a divot. And
it's a divot.
My assistant is helping me today. Say hi.
Hi.
So this is going to fit perfectly in the opening of your old peg, and what you do is you slide it in. So this part is on the outside, obviously, so the round edge is by the round edge and fits right on the top, just like that. The hole open right down to the bottom, where you would take your screw and your bolt right through the top. Whoop, there you go, right through the top. And you can see the screw come to the bottom. Hold it on there with a nut, and then you'll tighten it with your Allen key. Okay, Austin, can I have the Allen key, please? Thank you. Okay, now just tighten that up with the nut on the bottom so it doesn't bolt around as much, but that's basically the positioning of it. And as you can see, it still springs up and gives you the flexibility of the side pegs. My son is playing wrench drums. Okay, just real quick how it looks with the foot on the footrest. It does give me plenty of room to shift up, shift down. No relations. It's a little bit tighter because obviously the front spacing, we don't have a peg to go all the way down. But overall, not bad. Comfortability, much more comfortable just riding up and down the block. Overall, really happy with the purchase. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And one thing I do want to show that I forgot to mention on the other side is that there is a metal bracket that's on the inside of the foot peg that you do need to keep in there. That helps hold the replacement peg, basically, cover I should say, in place. And special thanks to my super awesome cameraman Austin, who's helping me out today. Okay, so we take out the screw, remove the cover, and right on the inside here, there's a little bit of a metal piece This is actually going to stay in. Fits right back in. And that actually helps hold everything in place. Once again, the other side with the round part of the edge. Right on top. Screw right down the middle. You may need to move the metal piece that's up on the bottom. Move it around just so the holes line up. And once you do, screw everything right in.
Daddy, am I doing good?
You're doing very good, buddy.
I'm being patient to wait.
You're a great helper.
Just dropped. And we're like, what? Why'd you drop it?
Why'd I drop it?
And look,
Alright, so it's all tight. See, it doesn't really wiggle. Still gives you the bend.
do that again.
The bend.
No, do the whole thing all over again.
The whole thing.
No, just do this thing that came off. That came off because I accidentally moved it like that.
Oh, okay.
Because I saw the other recording. I want to show you, but they don't mess it up.
Okay, is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. No, so I'm done. So I put everything on. That's it.
What? We're done?
We're done.
That's why you put your foot on, right?
That's why I'm gonna put my foot on.
What are you doing? Recording me?
Yep.
Why?
Why not?
I can't get on.
You want to hop on?
Yeah.
And there you have it. There's our new foot peg cover install with my happy helper rider. Say bye, Austin. All right, take care, guys. See you on the next video.